Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we add and format trend lines in the chart in the dashboard in AIV. And before I start today's demo, I would like to give a brief introduction about trend lines. Trend lines, they are the easily recognizable lines which are drawn in a chart to connect the series of prices together. Trend lines, they give a visual representation of support and resistance in any time frame, and they show us the direction and the speed of price, therefore describing the patterns during the periods of data contraction. Now let's begin our today's demo. For creating and formatting the trend lines in a chart, we'll first of all click on the charts component in the widget panel. Here dataset, I'll be selecting as sales.cds. Category axis, I'll be selecting country. You can select other options as well. Value column, I'll be selecting extended price here, and aggregation, I'll be selecting sum here. Now, once I do this, you'll see we have created a chart like this. Now I'll go to formatting tab. In formatting tab, I'll go to trend lines. And here you can see we have an option of create trend line. I'll click on this plus icon over here, and you'll see that the trend line 1 appears over here like this, and we have control options of the trend line appearing here like this. Now, if you wish to create more than one trend line, you can again click on this plus icon, and you'll see that we have two trend lines now. So after this, you'll see that we have a trend line appearing over here in the chart. You can see this red color line. This is the trend line. Now I'll go to general. Now I'll format this trend line. Now axis, I'll keep it axis 1 by default, and aggregation, I'll select as sum. You can select other options as well. I'll select aggregation as sum, and value column I'll select as extended price. You can select other options also. Now you'll see that the pattern of trend line changes, and when I hover over the bar, you can see the country along with the sum of the extended price. And the pattern of the trend line is showing the sum of the extended price in that particular country. Like for example, for USA, it is showing a higher level, then again it is going down for Germany, then again for Spain it is going up like this. So this is the trend, this is the pattern which the trend line is showing. Now if you wish to increase the border width, you can increase the border width of the trend line like this. If you wish to change the color, you can make it black like this. Now if you want to increase the border width of the bullets, you can increase the border width of the bullets. You can give it a suitable color, like I am giving it a red color. You can see the bullets appearing like this. Then we have the tooltip. Now, if you want to customize the tooltip, the background color I'll keep as blue only, and the text color I'll keep it black. So when I'm hovering over the bar, you'll see that the text color in the tooltip is black and the background color is blue. And the series value label position, if I enable the series value label position, you'll see that the value label appears over the bar like this. Now here in the text, if I want to add one symbol, say I want to add a dollar along with the value label, I'll add a dollar over here in the text, and you'll see that the dollar has appeared here also with the value label. And here we have point dot y. Now we have written y. Y means that the value, the y axis, the value present on the y axis will appear like this here. But if instead of y I will make it x, you'll see that the value, the country name is there on the x-axis, which will appear now here once I hover over these bars as the value label, since I have changed the y from x now. Rotation, if you want to set the rotation, you can change the rotation of the value label like this. You see, if I'm keeping it 90, so it becomes 90 now. It has rotated, that the rotation has become 90. Or we can also keep it 270 like this, or you can keep it simply 0 like this. Now you can change the font color. It is black, I can make it red like this. You see the color of the font has become red. The background color, I can make it black, so it has become black. You can increase or decrease the opacity from this option, and you can also increase or decrease the font size as per your own suitability or requirement. Like I'm increasing it here, So you can see the font size has increased. And background color also you can adjust as per your own suitability, your own requirement. And save and exit. We'll save it in the dashboard, go to the preview mode, and you'll see that we have created a trend line and also formatted the trend line in the chart in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the below section. If you have any specific questions, mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.